Hey guys, very happy to meet all of you guys on this format. I'm really honored to talk about the organization called the Leadership Elements. I'll take you through what the organization is all about. In our learning space, primarily in organizations, when we look at building leadership capabilities on the top three levels of leaders below the C-suite, one of the fundamental questions that always gets asked is, what is the source of content? That becomes very important because when leaders come into a classroom or an intervention to learn, the source of content and the facilitator's ability to bring insights becomes fundamentally important. And I'm a voracious reader. I've been reading since 15, 16 years old. And I strongly believe, which has become the brand belief of the organization also, that books have always been the source of knowledge and learning for leaders across generations in time. And I don't think anybody can contest this with me on this. And that's the very genesis of the organization called the Leadership Elements. What we primarily do is we work with organizations, we work with small and medium-sized enterprises, we also work with startup organizations in building execution excellence and leadership capabilities at all the levels of the management and also the senior management. What we primarily do is we understand the entire annual operating plan of an organization and figure out what are the top strategic initiatives or business drivers that the leaders want to land in the organization. But to be able to do that, what is important is the competencies and capabilities that these leaders need to exhibit. That's where we focus. And as an organization, we have a very strong approach, which is broken into 4 techniques or methods, starting from the initial stage of deducing the needs of an organization to designing, to delivering, and finally demonstrating the right behaviors required for the organization. That's what we do as an organization primarily. The second bit is we also have a very strong business consulting model under which we work in building execution excellence. I've worked with automobile industry, leading learning and development for the domestic and international business. In fact, very funnily, we used to have Japanese professors to whom we would go and present, and it was always about execution. It was never about high-level strategies. And that's exactly what we are focusing on, and I think many organizations today baffle and struggle with execution excellence as a key component. In fact, in CEO forums, this is being spoken as one of the fundamental leadership requisite for leaders in organizations. So we start with the mission, vision, value, moving up to strategy, people, customer, process, across multiple rings that needs to be improved, that needs to be enhanced, which is what we focus on. Third bit as an organization is we bring in a lot of powerful leaders and make them talk to an identified set of audience on a specific topic that has been identified by the organization, and we build not skills, not knowledge, but an attitude shift in the minds of the leaders. A very powerful quotation that Socrates said many years back that I have always carried is, he said, I can't make a man do anything, but I can make a man think. I think that's exactly what TLD also stands for. The very what of what we do is to create thinkers and leaders. And we do this beautifully using books as a powerful source of learning, tied up to very, very strong business impact projects. So all of you out there, learning and development heads, HR heads, OD heads, when you're looking at building capabilities at the top 3 levels, which are the N-1, N-2, N-3 levels of leadership in your organization, we're always there. Please call us, approach us on our portal. We'll be all the more happy to design and deliver a very, very strong intervention. Thank you so much. It was lovely meeting all of you. Bye.